Stepping into the heart of your refrigerator. The supplying demand ice maker WR30X10093 is more than a mere part. It is the silent architect of frozen refreshment. A tireless artisan crafting the very cubes that will chill your drinks and soothe your thirst just as a watchmaker meticulously assembles gears. This unit is engineered with precision, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless operation within specific GE, Hotpoint, and Kenmore refrigerators. It arrives as a complete assembly, so you won't be left to piece together a complex puzzle, but rather, you can install a fully formed solution. Furthermore, this supplying demand ice maker WR30X10061 acts as a dependable sentry, standing guard against the inconvenience of an empty ice bin, and therefore, it is a vital component for any modern kitchen. In fact, it is an essential replacement for the WR30X10093 and WR30X10061 models, so you can be confident in its compatibility and performance. However, this ice maker is not a universal panacea for all refrigeration woes. On the contrary, it is a model-specific marvel, a custom-tailored suit for your appliance. Before purchasing, you must confirm that your refrigerator's model number is among the compatible list. Otherwise, it will be as useful as a key for the wrong lock. Nevertheless, when the stars align and the model numbers match, this supplying demand ice maker WR30X10061 breathes new life into a struggling appliance, restoring the flow of ice and the convenience it provides. Consequently, your days of manually filling ice trays are over. Ultimately, this replacement part is a small investment for a significant return, transforming a formerly frustrating situation into one of effortless abundance. Likewise, it is a straightforward fix that anyone with a little patience and a screwdriver can tackle. Finally, think of this ice maker as a river returning to its course, a restorative force in the landscape of your kitchen. Previously, your ice production may have been a stagnant pond, but with this assembly, it will flow once more. Similarly, it is a lifeline for your refrigerator, preventing it from becoming an archaic monument to a bygone era of inconvenient refrigeration. Moreover, the peace of mind that comes with a full ice bin is invaluable. Subsequently, you can host parties, fill up coolers, and enjoy chilled beverages without a second thought. Instead of a difficult and expensive repair, this replacement offers an affordable and accessible solution. Ultimately, the supplying demand ice maker WR30X10061 is not just a replacement part. It is a promise of uninterrupted refreshment and a testament to the power of a single component to restore a whole system. Pros: we've got ice installed easily. Nice kit. Dropped right in to replace an old one. It makes ice much quicker than original. Perfect. Replacement: easy install. It works well. Fast delivery. Came with all wiring adapter harnesses. I have. Ice again. Cons: ice gets stuck on the bail, jams a lot, cable hangs a little, takes months to work correctly. Slow again after 10 months, cord is not tucked away, ice gets caught on the bail sometimes. Features: specific replacement model, not a universal part, WR30X10093 part number, WR30X10061 part number, ice maker assembly, replacement part, made by supplying demand, for refrigerators. Automatic ice production, non-universal fit. The supplying demand WR30X10093 WR30X10061 refrigerator ice maker assembly is a specific, non-universal replacement part designed for refrigerators to restore automatic ice production. This ice maker assembly, also identified by the part numbers WR30X10093 and WR30X10061, is a direct replacement part and is not designed to fit all refrigerator models. This replacement ice maker assembly, compatible with specific refrigerator models, is a popular choice for those needing to replace a broken unit. Customers report that it's an easy, drop-in installation that comes with all the necessary wiring harnesses. Many users have found that it works well and makes ice much quicker than the original part. However, some have experienced issues with ice getting stuck on the bail arm, causing jams. A few users also noted that the electrical cord hangs a bit and isn't as tidy as the original. Overall, it's considered a good replacement for the price, despite a few minor flaws.